Hello guys, this is Aman Singh and I try to show you what efforts our farmer do for his field. See, this is 8 p.m. of night and the for irrigation the sugarcane field the pump is set about to 8 a.m. and it is continuously run for 12 hours and it is still running and it is run for uh, at to the morning and farmers are have to stay night here and see here is nobody come in night without the animals and see what efforts to make and simple irrigation to the field can a farmer do. Here is a farmer doing a make a effort on his field and you can and you have waste your food simply. So guys, this is request from Aman Singh, do not waste your food and try to utilize it. And this is the seed of rice that is growing up. Thank you. Good morning guys, again Aman is here and as you can see this is 5:40 a.m. in the morning and the pump is stop running and irrigating our field from previous half an hour and we are coming to our another field and pump is there setting now for irrigating this field and for whole day we are irrigating this field only and see guys, it is more than to all irrigating for all field it is more than 48 hours and how can a farmer see how can a farmer do for him field and here is a no such extra amount of bonus or a profit, no much profit in this field but and not for irrigating also it is for sowing and same effort we are doing for sowing and for putting into this the fertilizers and all for uh, correcting our field and maintaining our field. There is a lot of thing if any work is done in the field I try to show you and we are setting our pump for irrigating our field and see they are stay uh, at that part there as you can see the back backward of this as you can see backward of the this trees and the is kind of a forest there is a backward another field that I show you in the night and in the morning the uh, my workers are here for irrigating another field and actually we are not doing a lot of efforts to our field but our workers are doing a lot of efforts to my field and they actually they are also get some profit from it but no, this is a work for not a profit, this is our passion. We have also a fishing business and all. We have also a lot of business for earning money but this is our passion, farming is our passion and as you can see here is the field, here's field the empty and one of some the sugar cane are growing up. Here is the reason why that is field it is also have some rice seeds, sorry sugarcane seeds but it is not growing. Why? This is the reason where it is the lack of fertilizers or lack of water into it. That's why it is not growing properly. But here is, you can see it is growing, and even I can't enter into this. This is too much take a height, and it is a yearly crop, and it needed a 170 centimeter to 180 centimeter water, so that we can irrigate it well. And see guys, this is the sugar cane. This sugar cane is topper in our village. Topper sugar cane grow means a best sugar cane in our village is this. And my father is also doing some experiment on the crops, what fertilizers are growing them well, or make some extra effort and try to some in some condition. And my father is also failed about sometimes they have destroyed her crops, but he is still experimenting and try to find out something on YouTube, how to sowing it, how to manage it, and when I get it water. And see, raining is not see guys, we are polluting our environment, so that the raining season and rain are not come on the time. It is not necessary. We are previous in previous 10 years we are not irrigating this by pump. It is automatically irrigated by nature, that is raining. But nowadays we are trying to irrigate this into from water pump. Why? This is the cause of because of global warming, or see, here is a not lack of trees, because in the village many trees, as you can say, many trees are there. See, many trees, and this is belongs to me also. And see, in previous from previous 50 to 100 years, here is a forest. Here is the forest, but when the humans are come there, they are start cutting the forest and irrigating and start cropping in it. And here you can see the tree, and this only tree is left that belongs to that forest. It is of 200 years old tree. It is 200 old years tree. And this tree of ours, but I say, and my brothers also say, we do not need to cut this tree, and we left this tree as he can survive, or trees survive. So now I show you how pump is setting. जे धरी बनाई बिस्टी
भाई तो बड़ा निमन तो नहीं लौका तारा सारे हैं
कालू इनका खाइल ना देखती
क्या कह
गया गोड़ दुनु पतार
जोखन ओजन बांध दो ओजन बांध ना दो
खाइले भुलाई जाता
फोटो खींची संताले त बगल गौरी बाने का उतना से रह देऊ
हाय ई डोली होइले ना अभी
मार दी।
हां मार दी
और फ्राइबिल शॉट
ए फ्राइबिल में कहीं जोर
हाय बामुआ देखी मोरा ई
चली।
हां चली
देखिए फ्राइबिल में ना सटे
का हुआ दूध बड़ा का कनिया है थी कहिया
So as you can see, water is pumping in the field. I can see how water is pumping in the field, and this field only takes 3 to 4 hours. This field only takes 3 to 4 hours for irrigate. See, you can imagine how much water is coming here from the river. And water level up to this, it recommended. See the level of water is coming from.
वो हमने के बस में जतरा फेल हो गई कोई नहीं पता कोई नहीं
और बार आम